How to turn off threads badge from Instagram profile. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to guide you on how you can turn off the threads badge from Instagram profile, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to actually turn off the threads badge from Instagram profile, because the number of times or the amount that you actually join threads, the count is actually going to show up here where you can see at the rate and a certain amount of number. If you don't want that annoying thing to show up on Instagram profile, it's quite simple to remove it. Once you come to the profile page, you can simply go to the edit profile option over here. Then once you come to edit profile, right here you can see show threads badge. Then you can simply turn off this little option here in order to turn off your threads badge, and next time when you come here you can see it will no longer be there. And this way you'll be able to turn off threads badge from Instagram. Hope this video is very helpful. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end, and see you soon in the next video.